pretty white too. Not that I know anything about. I think everyone's going fast. Oh, it is swirling. Oh my goodness. It's gracious. There it goes.
These people are stopping up here. Why are they stopping?
I don't know, but.
Why are they stopping?
Oh my goodness gracious.
Is it changing?
Oh my god, yeah, it's coming down.
It
It's
is.
getting closer
Yeah,
to
just
the
go
ground.
faster.
Okay, well these people are stopping to be protected, so...
Maybe we should stay under there?
No, are we past it?
Well, I don't know which way it goes.
We're past it.
Okay, we're fine.
We're getting there.
Look at that guy stopped over there in his field. All these guys are...
Oh.
You want to stop just to watch it?
No, I think we should just get going.
Chris, what do you want to do?
I don't care. I think it'd be cool to stay, but it's also kind of risky to stay. So.
Yeah, there it is. It's
Everybody,
gonna.
it's gonna get... I'm gonna pull over.
Why?
Because I want to see it.
Yeah, me too.
Well, that's just ridiculous. I would pull over like, oh my gosh, Brent.
There's a truck literally right under it. This is insane.
This is not smart.
This is crazy.
This is not smart. You're not filming anymore.
No, it's because you're filming. I was already filming. I got lots of stuff going on.
I think it's just a funnel cloud.
No, you can see. I'm looking on the bottom. Looking on the bottom.
Oh,
Look
yeah.
Look on the bottom. You see it?
Yeah. Did Dad go outside? Dad, get inside.
Yeah. Better get inside. Look at. Just wait. Look
You
at
can
the
see it
trees
on the
over there.
bottom. Yeah.
You can
That's
see on
not
the
the same
bottom.
one. That's not the same one.
Sure it is.
Is it?
Yeah, here it comes. See, look at it. It's got a.
Just pause.
No, I'm not
Yeah.
pausing.
Holy.
This guy's leaving too. I'm not